Hello and welcome to Dove in Headfirst. Today I'm going to make this 540 degrees circular skirt. So today I'm making a 540 degrees circular skirt. So 360 degrees is one circle, and then I'm going to add a half a circle, 180, to make 540. So over there I have my fabric. So the one I'm measuring right now is folded into 4. So I have 30 on both sides, and then the one on the side is folded into 2. So the one that's folded into 4 will make the 360, and the one that's just folded into 2 will make the 180. So right now I am just drawing the circular bit at the bottom, because remember it's 30 by 30. So I'm just measuring 30 and marking it all the way, and then I'm going to trace it and cut it.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
As you can see, I'm cutting that one, so I've just cut it all the way around, and that's what will give it the circular shape at the bottom. On your screen, I'll have all the measurements, and then I'll do the same exact thing for the other fabric. So remember, as I said, this one is folded into 4, which will make 360 degrees. The second one is only folded into 2, and it will make 180 degrees.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance.
So right here, I'm making the measurements for the cutout where my waist will go. And as you can see on the screen, that's how you calculate it. I found it somewhere on YouTube. I do not know the ins and outs of it, but that's how you do it. I, however, made a little bit of a mistake because I was doing a 540 degrees as opposed to a 360 degrees circular skirt. So right now, that's the second piece that's only folded into 2. I'm going to do the same exact thing that I did on the other one.
Running wild.
Save time, I just placed this fabric on top of the one that I already done and cut it. In hindsight, I should have just put the 4 and the 2, like all the fabric together, and done it all together. Maybe that might have been way too thick for this pair of scissors to cut through, but this is just what I did to save myself time, because drawing it and tracing it, especially when you're measuring 30 all the way around, can be a task.
Now the morning is the afternoon.
So I will then cut that side. So as you can see, it's a circular skirt. So I'll cut that bit, and I'm doing that so that I can be able to join the other one that was half a circle together with it. So the half a circle one is over there. So that I can join it to make it into the 540 degrees. So I'm gonna sew that, just sew one side and leave the back side, because that bit I will do a little bit later when I'm putting on the zipper.
We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky.
I have sewn it together, and I've also done the waistband. I decided to go with a thick waistband. So I'm just turning it inside out right now on the photo, as you can see, and then I'm gonna sew it on. If you need an in-depth tutorial on how to attach a waistband, there should be a lot on YouTube, and that's where I learned. So basically what you do is you sew it on the inside, on the wrong side, all the way around, and then you turn it around and you fold it and you top stitch. Alternatively, you can sew it facing forward on the right side, and then you top stitch on the back. I am going to make a tutorial later on showing you how to do that, because I found a better way to do it, better than what I did on this video.
Two hearts running wild, never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the
So that's my zipper, the one I've just put on that I'm going to add, and that's the waistband. So this is basically what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn it, as you can see in the picture. I'm going to sew it all the way around, and then I'm gonna come back.
top. We're gonna be.
I went ahead and sewn the zipper, and I've also done the stitching of the waistband. So I did it at the back, so the back side first, and then I'm gonna top stitch the right side. So I did the inside, and I'm going to top stitch the right side. As I've said, I found a way of doing it better, where you start with the top side and then you top stitch the bottom, but you make the bottom fabric longer than the top. So I'm going to show that in some tutorial at some point. So I went ahead, did that, and then I added some buttons on the skirt, and I also folded the bottom bit. That took forever because that fabric was large. That fabric was really long. So I did that, and then I finished. And here is the end product. If you stuck with me this long, kindly consider subscribing and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.